1. And Avalanche versus Seattle Kraken. The game is getting ready. We are getting ready. And cue the music. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He carries the puck into the net. And goal for Seattle. And 3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa, Avalanche. Whoa, the Avalanche getting the puck, protecting it. And, drags it. Boom. This is a tight game. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, and our first out of the game.
I carried it. Sorry, protecting. Ow, Poppy. I got my spoon. I got you.
Sorry, ads.
I got you. Here you go.
Place 3. 3, 2, 1. Too hard, Abby. Remember, slow pace. Slower, okay? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is getting heated. This is getting heated. Whoa! Almost, almost. The Seattle Kraken defending their goal like their life depends on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fast action, fast action, fast action.
No.
And boom! Boom! 2 to 1. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa! And pushes it into the goal. Technically, that's count. 2 to 2. 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. And that's that. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wait. 3 to 2. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Seattle Kraken picking it up. And whoa. No, Abby. Soft calm pace. Whoa! And goal for Seattle Kraken. 3 to 3. 3 to 3. 3 to 3. Okay, they can't see. Okay, but 3 to 3. Boom, boom. 3. No. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Fast. Too fast. Yeah. Oh, and goal for Avalanche.
4 to 3. Yellow.
4 to 3. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, Seattle Kraken and a fly out. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Wait, does that count? Whoa, and goal. 5 to 3. Is the Kraken going to make a comeback? Ooh, this is rough out here. Is the Kraken going to make a comeback? No one knows. And 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And knockout.
Sorry, again.
Fast. It's fine. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Whoa! That does not count. Whoa! And goal for Seattle. No, not goal. Whoa! Avalanche defending like one.
They don't start at the right place.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fast. Whoa, 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 whoa. Avalanche catches it. No, Abby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Did you see that fly? Whoa, whoa, whoa. The Avalanche is not letting this fly. With them. Whoa, 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 whoa. And 7-3. Avalanche scores again. How is the Seattle Kraken taking this? This is absolutely horrible. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. The Avalanche is demolishing. 8-3. Holy crap. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Seattle Kraken. Seattle Kraken. What are you? What? What? What is the Seattle Kraken doing? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. What is going on? No one knows. The Avalanche scores.
Oh my god, I'm so good at this.
And go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! No, Abby, you're breaking. You're breaking. Okay. Oh, and the Seattle scores. We're live. You realize we're live? We're live on YouTube right now. Okay, on YouTube. 4
Really,
to
actually?
8. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
4 to 8. Seattle Kraken is not having it.
I'm at 9. He's at
No, 4.
That's awesome, Jimmy.
Yeah, 4 to 8. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And knockout. 3, 2, 1.
I've been winning.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! The Seattle Kraken is not having them win. Whoa! But the Avalanche is not buying it. The Avalanche is not buying it. The Avalanche is not buying it. Oh, Seattle almost scoring. And goal by Seattle. Yeah, 5 to 9. Yeah, 5 to 9. Oh, that's my mascot.
This is Matthew mascot. Look, it's a turtle. It's Pokey.
Here, wait, I'll be both of them.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. You're like our halftime. You're like music and stuff. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. The Avalanche is not having it. Whoa, Seattle Kraken just destroying. Just absolutely making a comeback. Whoa! Did you see that? That was insane. Move by Seattle. Now.
My finger.
Now, the Avalanche is not having them come back.
You
3.
bend my wait. Let me bend. I'm bending my fork. You bending it.
Sport. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. The Avalanche is not having them win. But Seattle is just taking it like a boss.
Wait, are you Seattle?
No,
No.
I am.
You're Seattle?
I'm Seattle.
Okay.
I'm C-A.
You're Avalanche. Look, this is mine.
Ooh.
Number 17. 3,